good morning everyone. Here is an unboxing video of my Breville juicer. It took me quite a while to unpack this thing. I've had it for a little bit, but I just never unboxed it, so I want to share. And it took a while for me to even get it out of the box, because this sucker is a trip. But anywho, after you pull it out of this box, these are the pieces that come with it. And so here we go. I'm gonna try to, this is the cup that comes along with it. And that's that. And then this is the rest of the juicer. And this is crazy. This sucker took forever to come out. Sorry about the video. But yeah, so this is the juicer. And how it came out. Now to kind of like try to unravel it, because it took a while to even freaking get it out the box, because it was like tightly wrapped. And so I'm trying to do this with one hand. Here is the, like, the juice jug that it comes with. And they have a little cute little picture telling you that you can go ahead and seal and store. And then the actual garbage for the juicer. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get this thing off, because this sucker is a bit of, it's kind of tough. So yeah, but that's the juicer. Whoa, I don't know why they child-proof the juicer, so I can't get in it. But I have to rip up all this plastic off of it in order to get this sucker out, because it really, oh Lord. Okay, so you pull this latch up, and this is the garbage can that comes with it. And it loosens up. Look at that. So that's good. Oh, okay. This is how this goes. Yeah, that was traumatizing a little bit. So, I want to make some juice. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. But I feel like making some juice. Look at my juice. Oh my God. And it comes with a little, I guess, this is to basically push the fruit down. And it's just like really big. The girth is really wide. My hand can't go around it. Even though I don't have the biggest hands, but basically this is like a red pepper. It can practically go in there. So there's space for this. I cut it up and it'll go in there. This is a smaller one, and it looks like it'll go in. So this thing is so cool. I'm so happy. This is like the rubber nozzle that it has, so it's a good look. This is removable as well. Yeah, let's see. I can't see the inside that I was trying to show you. The light hit it. There it goes. So that's the inside of the nozzle. That when the juice is coming out. And where the gasket is, and you put all the fruits and the vegetables. And I'm doing this one-handed, y'all, so bear with me. Yeah. Woohoo! I wanted to open this thing for a minute. It took a while. So I just want to package it with you guys and show you. Ooh, it's gold, boo. Shining, y'all. All of this winning. Yes, this is so cool. And this is like it's like a net that it'll catch the juice and it'll squeeze through. So it comes to a little important. Remove cardboard package. Packaging from stainless steel filter basket before use. If somebody doesn't know to do that, I don't know what to tell you. And then this is to basically hold this aspect back on there. So I am very pleased with my purchase. I paid about like I think $200-300 for this, and it wasn't a bad purchase. So I'm gonna try it before this sucker falls on the floor. That's the last thing I need. I will let you know how it goes.